No! Darn it, I died, guys. But, anyways, what's up, guys? It's me, Chris. In this video, I'm gonna be doing a new season. So right now, this video is episode 1, and it's gonna be part of the season 7. So yeah, so as you know, I ended season 6. Now this is season 7. So anyways, let's rock and roll. Go! Alright, take out Prince. Alright, Prince down. Ah, shoot, not the Ice Queen. Oh! 2 Ice Queens. Okay. Well, let's take them out then. Okay. Please blink. Alright, wait till I spawn in. Alright, here we go. Oh, crud. Sneak attack! Ah, I missed. Oh well. Okay, darn it. Oh no! Ah, dang it. Oh, not the hiccups again. Don't mind it, guys. I had that when I was like playing Roblox game. Man, I better not hiccup like in this video because I'm recording for the the season. Okay, I hate the hiccups, man. Fucking shit.